press the button for update. I don't care. Jesus, man. That would find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Okay, I will find a Bloxy Cola to survive. But where could it be? No! Ow, this is really bad. No, I couldn't find any. Couldn't find any Bloxies. Ugh. This just makes me want to come in. What the? A storm? Let me out of this mess. Ugh. Let me click the green button. Huh? Or to the ground. Oh, God. Not this again. Gosh, there's a pay-to-win cringe rainbow carpet. I see pain in front of me. Uh-oh. I died? No. Where are we? Poppy playtime? Grabbed is awarded. Find bright yellow. Start. Find deep orange. I think it's this. Winners. DK. What is deep orange? Find a bright orange hexagon. It's this one. What? Oh, it's this. Find a bright orange hexagon. I found it. I found it. Find a pink circle. IDK. Where's the pink circle probably at? Yellow star. Yellow star? I don't see anything. Like anything at all. Oh, I found it. Found a bright orange hexagon. Okay. I can't find it. Hurry, get to the other side. What? I'm stuck. I can't. This game's rigged. It teleported me to the ground. Now I'm gonna die. No, wait. I can explain. Please don't kill me. I'm an innocent person with an innocent life. No. Don't you dare do this to me. Don't you even think about it. You better not. Oh, I clicked the button. I'm the button presser. As you can see, I'm the get to the other side. Easy, simple. Of course, there's a pay-to-win cringe kit. Time to draw some money. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Money.